This is a 2021 F-150, lowered 4 inches in the front, 7.5 in the back. It's got traction bars on it because I was getting a lot of wheel hop with the 410 gear I had installed. It's got 24x9 intro wheels, running a 295/35 24 tire. Had a lot of rubbing issues. Lately, the wheels were hitting the inner fender up top, ripping the inner fender out. I had to rig them back to get them back in there. One thing I found, these bump stops, painted them yellow. I had to chop about 3 inches out of them to get them to fit. They are from this company here, Timbren, and they are model FF150G. They're a bump stop, and cut a couple inches out of them, bolted them on, and now they allow the front end to travel an inch or two before they hit the bump stop. But at least now they don't, truck doesn't bottom out. I was having a lot of problems with the wheels hitting the inner fender, ripping the inner fenders out. Front wheels were also rubbing on the fender mounts, which is aluminum and part of the body, and that was getting worn down. And on the driver's side, it was hitting the airbox and rubbed a hole in the bottom of the airbox from bottoming out. It's kind of the price you pay if you run big wheels on a lowered truck. So yeah, had a lot of other issues. You can see some of my other videos where I talk about the two-piece drive shaft I had to get and the frame notch I had to do. These bump stops are just kind of the newest fix for the latest issue of the fender liners rubbing and ripping out. Again, if you have a lowered truck, I have the IHC drop kit plus shackles, which I bought from a different company. But if you have problems with those truck bottoming out in the front like I did, on the factory wheels it wasn't much of an issue, but with the big wheels it became an issue. Check out those bump stops, and maybe you can chop an inch or two of them off and put them on your truck. Here's a couple of the pieces I chopped off of those bump stops. Thanks.